and good morning to all of you. I've got to quickly get dressed so I can go out there and mow the lawn, sadly. Got my headset, got my hat, got my drone just in case I want to fly it around. I'm going to show you guys what that is later. Okay, never mind. I guess my cousin's mowing the lawn for me. Well, I'm fine with him mowing the lawn. I'm going to show you what that book cover thing that you saw behind the drone really quick was. It is, in fact, not the theory of relativity at all, but it's a tablet I got working earlier today. It hasn't worked for years, and last night I charged it for about a day and a half, and finally got it working again. Turns out the battery was just deader than dead, I guess. I don't know. But that's all it was. Nothing big. I'm going to take a shower because I wasn't going to take one because I thought I was going to go out there and mow the lawn for 2.5 hours. But my cousin's doing that one, so I'm going to leave him to that. And I am actually going to take a shower, and after that, I don't know what the plan is. We can't go to any stores today, is for sure, because today is tax day, so there's like no taxes on certain things, like for back to school stuff, and I guarantee you it's going to be packed. It's kind of ridiculous though, because there's only a 7% tax, and it's like if you were to spend $100, you'd be saving like $7. But anyways, enough talking. I'm gonna go get in the shower. Sadly, the power just went out, as you can see right here. Man, that flashlight's bright. We're not entirely sure why, though. Alright, we're back home, and we have power. We just got back home, just pulled in, and I'm trying to get some stromboli out of the freezer. I'm gonna go mow the lawn right now. Dinner was great. As you saw this earlier this morning, you saw that I was getting ready to mow the lawn and everything. My cousin was using the lawnmower. He wasn't mowing our lawn, even though he was getting really close to the house, mowing around the house. He wasn't mowing our lawn, so I had mistaken that, and I had taken a shower and everything, and it was already too late. Plus, we had to go to the store, so there was that as well. And yeah, so I'm going to mow the lawn now. Hopefully in a few, maybe 30 minutes, it'll calm down in the heat because it's 93 degrees out there right now. Stopped on the count of rain and electricity. As you saw, there were a lot of clouds. I can still hear thunder every now and then. I don't want to get on a big metal thing in the middle of an open field. When there's thunder and lightning in the area. That's just kind of asking for a lightning bolt to go straight through me. But it was that just now I stopped, and then I wasn't able to mow the lawn just now. And then also this morning, like you saw, I got confused with my cousin. He was using it, and he was just mowing the lawn. But he was mowing closer than he usually does. He was like on our side of the yard, really. So I thought that he was mowing our yard, so that's why I got confused and came in and took a shower. Apparently he wasn't. He was mowing part of our yard, but not the entire thing. So, I will have to wake up early in the morning and do it, because hopefully it's not going to be raining early in the morning tomorrow. It's kind of a good thing that I wasn't able to mow the lawn, because my phone is dying, so that would have meant that I didn't have any music to listen to during the lawn mowing, because I usually use my headset. Anywho, I've got to plug my phone in really quickly. It should be done pretty soon. Okay, it's been a little while. I've been just kind of playing Xbox for the entire time it's been on the charger. I think we're getting ready to watch a movie. It's pretty late though, but it's a short movie. Alright, never mind. I'm guessing they're pretty tired. I guess they just went to bed a little while ago. But anyways, I'm gonna have to call it here as well. It's getting really late. So, my elbow just popped. So, good night to all of you, and see all of you in the morning tomorrow. Sadly, I'll probably be mowing the lawn that early though.